Here's how I shop, and maybe some of you can relate. So I'm in H&M right now, right? So first what I do is I glance to see what I like, okay? And then the next thing is I glance on the price tag. And any shirt that costs about $30, I'm gonna ask myself, so how much do I want it? And how much do I like it? And does this shirt worth $30 or not? Because to me, that's a lot of money for a shirt, you know? Some of you will call me cheap, but I call it smart shopping. Because a lot of you spend like a baula, but what is in your bank account right now? You see, it's the habit. And I built this habit for shopping like this since I was broke. So I'm so used to it. It's how I maintain and keep my money in the bank. And rental property, not in the Gucci or the Louis Vuitton. Come on, man, shit. You're so used to spending like a freaking bowler, you don't even know what a clearance section is, baby. Remember, it doesn't matter how much money you make, it's how much you can keep and reinvest. That will set you free, my friend.